Hi everyone! Today in this video we will give you a complete idea of how to choose a hair supplier. To find a reputable hair supplier, you need to understand the products you need and the skills to find and negotiate to achieve the best results. Understanding the characteristics of the hair extension will help you easily compare the quality and price with other hair types. So friends, let's find out everything about how to choose a hair supplier if you are looking for hair extensions. Indian wholesale hair suppliers are Asia's second most well-known wholesale hair vendor suppliers. Indian hair is 100% local human hair that is plentiful and inexpensive. More specifically, Indian hair is derived from two main sources, temple hair and hairballs. Temple hair is hair that has been collected from the temples. Every year, Hindus go on pilgrimage to temples to show their veneration. They have a custom of praying, they shave their heads, and sacrifice their hair. This hair will subsequently be gathered and sold to hair suppliers at a low cost. Indian hairballs are also Indian human hair. However, the sources collected are not clean, from the habit of picking up hairs falling out of Indian women to the hair collected in public bathrooms. Then, by collecting the aforementioned two forms of hair trash to dry and clean, hair suppliers might give it a new name, hairball. Tips to find high-quality hair supplier. Get to know the hair supplier. Do some study to discover a decent hair supplier. It may take some time for you to go on the internet and visit websites, as well as see some news on social media. But it is necessary to do so once you want to spend your money on good quality products. Many companies sell hair weave and hair extensions nowadays, but not all of them sell virgin Remy hair, some sell synthetic hair, some sell non-Remy hair, and so on. This phase will assist you in determining the best hair provider for you. Read the feedbacks. Furthermore, there is another simple way to assist you to choose a trusted hair supplier, and that is to read client reviews. It will be a highly useful method of locating dependable hair sellers. Customers will express their genuine opinions and remarks about the things they have purchased, and you will be able to tell whether you should buy them or not. After that, you can decide whether or not to trust the vendor, and you will feel more confident while placing an order. Find the discount. The price of high-quality weave hair is quite expensive. Choosing the hair product to sell hair is really what many people are looking for. That's why so many hair suppliers offer discounts during the year to attract customers, at the same time to get more reviews and feedback from customers. With the customers, there are two advantages of buying hair during the promotion occasion. First of all, customers can buy their favorite beautiful hair products at a cheap price. Now you must be aware of how to choose a hair supplier. You can check out Ah Hair International. We have a huge range of hair extensions. We will offer you expert advice and guidance on which human hair extensions will look best on you. You can contact us for any further details.